So we are at the Webstraunt store in Baltimore. This is a huge store. They even have a drive-up pickup. So let's go in and see if we can find some goodies. They have some really big refrigerators and a lot of deli fridges. Ooh, that thing that you can hold a bunch of like sandwich stuff in. Mark would love these guys. If I can get this thing to go straight, I'll be in business. Whoa. Wow, they got a lot of these prep bowls. I can't get this basket to go straight.
This is probably not good choice for you. It's a smaller basket, a smaller fork. I can't steer it. You want me to go get the other one for you?
That thing is too big, though.
Well, then you're gonna have to deal with this. Stay down the middle of the aisle.
I might need some of these for the studio kitchen, because I use these like a lot. Pretty heavy weight too. Whoa.
Well, I
Look
can't.
at Hader. Whoa.
Whoa!
Look at that thing.
We ain't got no cabinets that can store something like this.
That's a whole lot of stuff.
Maybe put this under the sink.
See me in there. Hi.
Hi.
Shiny. It's a kind of different shape than the one I usually use. I kind of like it. Clearance.
This top rack. This is 1050, 950, 8,
What?
6, 4, 3. These big things.
Some of those big ones. These are all clearance.
It's just clearance.
That's pretty nice. These are little ones. What size are these? 13 quart?
What ain't?
16 quart?
I don't know.
Wow. How big is the big one, Boo?
Oh, it's a 20 quart, Amy.
20 quart? Ooh, look at all the dishers.
Well, it's like the regular price is $31. It's clearance for $12.
Ooh, they got all these
The
dishers
dishers.
on clearance
Volrus.
for $9.
And $7.50 for some of these.
Are these all Volrath?
It says Volrath on
Holy
every all
moly,
of
I'm about to be a freaking
that.
crazy person. I went crazy on the dishers.
Yum yum.
What on earth? Eric found himself a carnival king. Can we get any,
Got some apples?
no, but can we get some, stuff for the slushy machine?
I don't know. Pour this on some popcorn. Yum yum.
Oh, here's
Simple
slush, Carnival King slush syrup. Phillips chocolate syrup.
Plate scapers for plate decorating.
Yeah, you can squeeze it on the plate to swirl it around like strawberries and
Yeah, Food Line doesn't carry that.
lemonade.
Peanut butter sauce.
Butter sauce. It's not cheap.
It's not. They want like $40.
Holy
Then
moly.
they got snow cone. But I think you dilute that stuff probably.
They have some really big pots up there.
Ones at the end are crazy size.
I can't get this card to go straight. Holy moly, that's for big old stock making. Big old stock. I'm driving like a crazy person here. I'm just letting you guys know that.
Are the fries ready?
Fries are up.
Fries up. That's an 80 quart stock pot.
Sheesh. Whoa, they got all kinds of stuff up in here. Putting salt sauce.
Hot sauce, I put that shit.
This is, they got a lot of, let me go down this side.
For what? You need to know how to steer it. You're supposed to pull it, not push it. So, half pans and full pans and stuff.
I kind of want a couple of half pans here. If I can find them. This is all food.
You got coffee equipment here, but once you get past that, you're good.
Did it be in? Oh, they got sprinkles.
They got what?
Rainbow sprinkles. This thing wants to go wherever it wants to go. The only thing I want to look down here, I want to see what flowers they have. They got jasmine rose. They got flowers. I always want to see the flower. It's kind of like Restaurant Depot, only not as crazy busy. Oh, I wonder if they have parchment paper sheets. I need another sack of cheapy. That is a big jar of Sweet Baby Ray. Sweet! Oh, look at that guy. Holy cow. Huge bags of...
Oh, they got a 50-pound sack.
Huge bag of panko. For making pizza, $44. Holy moly, Captain. I want that. They want $44 for it. It's pizza flour. They got high gluten, Harvest Edge, premium bakers, and all purpose. Ooh, wait a minute, wait, hold up. Wait a minute, hold up. Amy, you know I'm gonna see this. Hold up, wait a minute, hold up. Hold up, wait a minute, hold up. Hold up, wait a minute, hold up.
Now, Bobo.
Hold up. Mixers. Look at that one. I like that one. $6.19.
Yeah, he's just a baby.
He looks kind of nice.
Looks kind of heavy to me.
What would I find if they have parchment paper sheets? Because usually when I have to get that stuff shipped, it's expensive. I gotta move through this place. Oh, I wonder if they have that cardinal bread that I like. We got tortillas. I'm looking for aprons and parchment paper. Oven mitts. So it's a possibility that aprons will not fall behind. Here it is. The parchment. Silicone coated. Hand liner. Unbleached. Coated. Got bakers. I'm looking for something with the silicone. Korean coated. Korean. Okay, Cook. So I learned quite a bit when I was in here. If you've ever ordered or saw Webstraunt, I got some stuff to say because buried in the restaurant store, they own Webstraunt. So let's talk about that as soon as I get back to the house.